Everyone has some idea about how and why to have a physical fitness, but have you talked about how and why to have mental fitness? There are several activities to maintain a health mind, not only taking time to study and reading books. You can start learning a musical instrument. We can avoid malignant substance. We uh, can do regular exercise. Exercise help to prevent illness like cholesterol, blood pressure, and diabetes. And deciding to have an active social life, we can care the health of our minds. Personally, I have had the opportunity to live in an environment when I had to improve my personal relation in order to be able to conserve a health mind. I know by personal experiences that a critical aspect to maintain a health mind is social activities and interaction with others. The first thing that I would like to speak to you is about challenging your mind with new activities and decided to have an active and social life. Challenge your mind with new activities, strengthen the communication between nerve brain cells and build new brain cells. According to Alzheimer Association research shows that keeping your brain active increases its vitality. Uh, we can start learning to play a musical instrument. Learning, learning to play a musical instrument uh, improve uh, stimulate the brain, improve the memorize and the skills and the cognitive skills. You can challenge your brain with things that you enjoy, like to play, to start to play a new deport, to start to learn a new language, cooking, gardening, and so on. Deciding, participating in social activities and interacting with others and boosts the feelings of well-being and decreases the feelings of pain or depressions. People who connect with others perform better the test of memory, and and the long run they are less likely to develop dementia. The second thing that I would like to talk to you is about to eat healthy, do regular exercises, and avoid malignant substance. Uh, Exercise benefits the brain in different fronts. Exercise increases the heart rates of our heart, uh, which pumps oxygenate the brain. Dr. Terry Dr. Terry Branks, talking about exercise, said the blood pressure uh, is better controlled. Literally, exercise builds brain cells in key parts of our brain that have to do with memory and problem solving and executive functions. Our brain uh, will work better. Fatty fish includes salmons, trouts, and sardines, which are richest in omega-3. Brains use omega-3 to build nerve cells and ward off the Alzheimer's disease, and they The omega-3 uh, decrease are essential. The omega-3 is essential to learning and memories, and they are related with the the age related to decline mental. Uh, the in this part, I would like to you of about avoiding malignant substance like alcohol. Alcohol cause neurological disease like Wernicke-Korsakoff. Wernicke-Korsakoff. The symptoms of this syndrome is confusion, change of the eyes of the visions, um, the exaggerate of the storytelling. The third thing that I would like to talk to you is about that each that is good for the heart is good for the mind or our mind. Cigarettes affect the hearts and decrease and our mind decrease appetite, heightened mood, increases the heart rates and the blood pressure, cause diarrhea, nausea. With the diabetes, you increase the risk of damage the blood vessels in our brain. Dr. Joseph C. Masdew, MD or PhD, Neuro, Neurological Institute of Houston, said that this damage can affect the brain's white matter. The white matter is the part of our brain that where the nerves tack or communicate each other, and when this part is affected, the the communications of our that's the about of these nerves is affected, and it can cause dementia. Uh, the blood pressure affect the heart, but also the brain, because this can cause dementia. I have talked to you about several activities like do regular exercise, select the type of food that you eat, avoiding malignant substance, and decided to have a social and active life. Do these activities, you will improve the health of your brain. Uh, I will. I want to invite you to to don't don't lose time thinking about this topic. It really matter. Uh, I invite you to make plans and include these activities in order to have a health mind. Remember that everybody is the responsible of to conserve the health of your brain. Thank you for listening. See you later.